Hi everyone! Today I'm back with a new video. I will be unboxing my June Glossybox. I know I'm a little bit late this week, but this month actually, but I got it really late. So we'll just get right into it. I already opened up the carton around it, so it would be easier to open it on camera. This month is a plain pink box. We'll just take a peek inside. Okay, so let's see. It looks like this on the inside. It's apparently the Under the Sea collection, or box, Under the Sea box. Has a really pretty magazine cover. Let's see. Well, we'll look into this a little later. First of all, we're gonna open the Glossybox. See what's inside. Let's see. Oh, I already see good things. Okay, let's start right with the first thing that comes out. This is a Laritzy Cosmetics shade stick. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Does it say anything? No. It's a shade stick. So it says Bâton Bronzant. I think it's a bronzing stick. It looks like a bronzing stick, if you ask me. Let's see if we can. Okay, yeah. Looks more like a contour stick to me. We'll test it out and we'll see. I've never heard of this brand, Laritzy. We'll test it out. Another thing I'm seeing is a hairband by Purelei. I already had one before. This one says Under the Sea. I don't know if you can see that. It looks really pretty, and I love those bands that are like knotted at the end, because for some reason they're just really good to my hair. I literally only have these with like the knots on the end. And then we have, oh, that's a brush, a mermaid brush from Inuwet. Let's see if we can open this. Come on out. Look at this. It looks like a seashell. Isn't this like really cute? And it's super soft. I think it's gonna be great for like, you know, contouring. That would be like perfect for that. Also, excuse me that I'm not wearing any makeup today. It is so hot outside and my makeup is literally just kind of melting off. So I just gave up today and I did not wear any makeup. Also, it's my day off, so I'm kind of, you know, giving my skin a break. But yes, I will love this brush. I think I will test it out. I think I had brushes from them before, but this one's just really cute. I mean, look at this. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing in my box is a Guilteyes Fan Effect Mascara Waterproof by L.O.V Cosmetics. And we'll just open it really quick and see how the wand looks like. Oh, I like it. It's like a silicone brush. It doesn't have those, you know, fuzzes and things. So I will test it and let you know. Black Envy Waterproof Lush Lashes Killer Lifting Effect with a special ingredient improving lash separation. I don't know. We'll test it. I usually love the, you know, L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic, or even the Essence, you know, the purple one that Tati always uses. I love this one so much, so we'll give this one a shot as well. We also have inside a Wilkinson razor. I wanted to try this anyways. It's the Fab one, and it says shave forward and backward. So apparently you can shave with that in both directions, and it says water activated gel for effortless glide, shave forward and backwards, lifting the razor from your skin. we'll try it out. I don't know, I usually epilate my legs. I don't shave. So we'll try it. I'm excited. And we have the Schwarzkopf Beology Customized Hair Care System Deep Sea Extract Moisturizing Daily Essence Mist for dry hair. I already have this. I bought it like 2 months ago, and half the bottle is already empty because I love it so much. I literally spray it in my hair every day. Now you can't smell anything yet. It smells good, it hydrates your hair, and it just feels really good. Like, you know, it feels really soft, and it, you know, sinks into the hair really fast, and it doesn't make it oily. So this has been a staple of mine for the past 2 months. So I'm really happy I have a backup of this now. Yay! And that's already it. The box is empty. What else? Let's see. We have the magazines, and we'll take a look at that. So, Laritzy Cosmetics Shade Sticks in Aloha. That would be the black one. This one's already 20 bucks. So that's 20. So that's already worth more than what I paid for the entire box. And then we have the shell brush. The shell brush is 15 bucks. Wow. So that's 15, that's 35. And we have the razor, which is right here. The razor is 10, so we're at 45. The Moisturizing Daily Essence Mist by Schwarzkopf Beology is 9, so that makes it 54. 54. And then we have the Guilteyes Fan Effect Mascara in waterproof. So that's 10, so that's 64. 64 bucks. And this one did not cost anything. That's just a goodie that was in the box as a little gift, which I like. So yeah, 64 bucks. Like, that's quite you know, a value for this box. It doesn't have a lot of items, but they were all kind of pricey. And you know, I paid 15. So, you know, that's definitely worth it, and I'm excited to test out all the things. And I'll let you know how they go, what it did. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you next time. Bye!